Education Minister Rakam Sangma has defended the move of the state government to introduce NCERT textbooks in the state from the next academic session. Following objections from certain quarters, the minister said that the government's intention is to provide world-class content to the students in this modern time, and hence the government is going ahead with the NCERT textbooks for students from class 1 to 10. He also said that those objecting to move never approached the government when government was considering the decision, and it is only after the decision was taken that certain quarters started opposing the transition.
Improvement, there is no something.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma,
The standardization, the contents, look, I mean, what we call, simple is simple. Most of the competitive examination question paper are all NCERT curriculum and syllabus based question paper. Yes, book may be far better than NCERT textbook that we have, but if that doesn't link to the what you call the board examination, we are studying some other topic, but that topic doesn't figure in the competitive examination. All that we will have to find.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Cabinet